Hey, we have to work in America. I have my brother. He works 16 hours in a day.
Yes.
Too much.
Too much.
No, that's normal for us.
Oh, normal
Yeah, for you.
Yeah,
Me,
it's normal.
not normal. We work only 8 hours. Here.
Because we don't have workers. too many works.
Yeah.
Too little workers. Yeah, that's true.
But why you don't pay a little
Higher.
higher? Yeah.
It depends on the cost of living, you know. Some states, because we have states.
Yeah, in California.
Yeah, California is very expensive too. They pay higher too.
Yeah.
That's why I said
How we get in months with 7 francs an hour?
right, but the food is very cheap. It's like cents.
Everything.
Yeah, like the rent is only 1,000 or
Only
800.
That's good.
Yeah, it's very good.
Yeah.
But here you
They
make
pay.
higher.
They pay hard.
You also pay
They
higher.
can't save.
Correct. That's why I'm saying 25 is high for us. I mean, it's really high.
It's high, but
The cost of living
they
is
cut it, you know.
yeah, true.
They take many things.
But you have like a minimum pay, right?
Like minimum.
That's minimum is 25.
Educator
The law.
No. It's the minimum too. There is a minimum. Some private
Company. Okay.
company they pay 19-20.
Okay, 1920. But still a good one.
Yeah, but the country is expensive.
Yeah, right. The
Yeah,
food,
house
the
benzene,
rent.
whatever, insurance.
Do you use gas or electric?
This one,
Yes.
gas and electric.
It's hybrid.
Sa New Zealand, si Ma'am.
So it's very expensive here.
Rechts halten Richtung Arrival
Airport,
Radius
too much
Hotel
people.
Departure, dann links halten.
Yeah. Did you visit America too, your brother?
No,
not yet.
maybe next year.
Maybe next year. Okay.
It's my plan.
Dann
Yeah.
links
I
halten.
have to.
But your brother's visiting you here.
Go to America.
Yeah. So your brother's.
No, I have to visit America. You know.
Yeah, you need to.
No, I
Okay.
need France.
But your brother comes here visit Switzerland.
Yeah.
Yeah. And what did he say? They like it though?
He like it.
They like it, right? Yeah. I guess so. It's nice, especially when you go to the mountains. You have a very nice mountain. We went to
In America.
here.
Here.
Interlaken is very
You went
nice.
there?
Yeah, we went there.
It's expensive.
Very expensive too.
It's expensive.
Yeah. And also, where's that? Glider Hall. Glider Hall. It's a very nice place.
Yeah, in Switzerland.
Yeah.
Sila naman din ang mag-ano yan.
It's very nice.
If you have money in the bank,
If
the bank will
there
get
is the
tax
police
also.
there, I will bring you up downstairs in the car.
You can go.
Parang may kakilala ako sa
Also,
I don't
Okay.
know why they are.
sila.
they just move slowly. So we're here already in airport, right? We're in the airport now. Leave home, love the world. See, this is the one of the praise. Leave home.
Only crowded. Which terminal we have to now?
Swiss.
Departure.
Swiss Airlines.
Swiss Airlines. We're almost there. And thank you very much for sharing your story.
Blue and red dito.
Depende sa
And you are a very nice guy.
standard.
So meaning red is mid?
Ang red is more on
Tayo sa
urban.
Swiss.
Urban
Right.
style. Simple.
Okay. Kung blue medyo
Ito
fancy.
medyo ano na.
High-rise size,
Fuji.
Yeah,
Fuji.
that's why it's more expensive. Mga classic.
You're a full-time Uber driver or you have do many things?
I have
You work somewhere?
storekeeper.
Josef
Ah.
absetzen.
Here in
You
also
know.
here in
Zurich.
Zurich. Yeah.
You know Migros supermarket,
Supermarket.
almost popular in Switzerland.
Ah.
I work there.
And then you just do this when you're off, when you're free.
Yeah.
You're a hardworking man.
To get a little money.
You get a little money, huh?
Josef absetzen.
I'm a hard worker, but I'm not still rich. I'm not still rich, you know.
No, we'll not ask you how of your account. So just tell us really. But you have expensive car. Is this expensive here or
60,000, yeah.
yeah?
If it's new, but
Right.
there is occasion.
But you buy this new or
No,
No.
please. No. 60,000 kilometers.
60,000 kilometers?
Kaya wala akong license. Tulo.
That's not expensive to maintain like the gas and electric. No. It's good for Uber.
It's good.
Yeah, it's good. So, dito na tayo sa airport. Ito yung airport 3. Are looking for departure. Dito na to.
What happened?
Dito natin dito.
Isa po na sa akong gusto mo. Why?
So, guys.
Here. And what's your name again, my friend?
Kiran.
Can I get you a video?
No,
Okay. No. All right. Okay.
Sorry.
Thank you. No problem. I'm just asking. Ask permission. Thank you, my friend. Pa-depart na tayo. Ito pa rin yung mga kasamahan natin. So, natapos na tayo sa Switzerland. 4 days and 3 nights tayo. Marami tayong napuntahan. Kaya pauwi na tayo. So, harap tayo ng streets lang ngayon. Sumapa pa tayo. Hanap tayo. So, ito yung situation dito sa mga tao.
Ayaw diyan, dito na. Naman sa silong ang arrival.
So, hanap tayo ng departure dito kasi matagal pa yung flight namin. So, ito yung airport ng Zurich International Airport. So, hanap tayo ng stambayan before tayo mag-flight mamaya. Gabi pa kasi yung flight. Kaya kailangan kami mag-check out ng hotel kasi hanggang 10 o'clock lang siya. So, ito yung mga area dito. So, ayan, hanap tayo dito saan tayo makakita ng maupuan. Mahirap kasi pag walang maupuan. Kaya hanap tayo. Hindi masyado busy yung kuwan dito sa Zurich, yung airport nila. Masyadong maraming upuan, pero maganda naman siya, malinis. Dami lang sigurong pasahero. Ganun talaga pag maraming pasahero. Kaya hanap tayo ng maupuan natin dito. Yan. So dito tayo kita ng mga area.
Pour remarquer des objets abandonnés, veuillez le signaler immédiatement au personnel de l'aéroport ou à la police.
So, dito muna kami. Kita ng luggage carrier. So, nakahanap tayo ng gandang upuan. Nag-standby before tayo sa Norway. So, galing tayo ng Switzerland ngayon. Pauwi tayo ng Norway. Ito yung airport ng Zurich, Switzerland. Ikot natin. Kami pang tao doon. Ito yung pa natin. Samahan natin. Ayan, sa labas. Labas ng airport. Ito yung ito yung airport ng Zurich, Switzerland. Busy. Daming pasahero, daming mga turista. Ikot-ikot lang kayo. Yan. Ito. Daming tao. May mga restaurant. Dito sa taas naman ay tambayanan. Yung mga open sunlight siya. Solar or sunlight, pati na rin sa sunlight. Yan lang muna, baka delikado kasi ngayon. Red alert kasi may Olympics sa France. Hindi natin maikot talaga. Ayan dito. Ito yung samahan ko, mga bagahe dito. Ito yung bagahe namin. Oh, wave muna dito. Ayan yung mga kasamahan natin. Wave, Ace. Wave. Saka dito naman side. Jo. Wave, Jo. Wala pa kaming kasi. Dito kami ngayon sa Zurich International Airport. Pasyal muna kami kasi dami pang or wala pa yung flight time namin. Kaya ito yung dito makita mo. Tsaka ano nyo pala yun, airport shopping. Tsaka ito yung may bus stop dito. Tsaka dito dami po lang pa doon. Tsaka ang ganda ng building dito. Yes. Oh yeah, of course. Ikuan mo muna. I-video ko. Sige, kuan mo. Wave. Saan yung signature dance natin? Signature dance, saan yun? May signature dance yan sila. From the airport. So makita mo dito waiting area. So ito yung napakagandang pagkakuha nila. You can see Zurich, tsaka the circle. Ayan, tsaka yung building. Oh, doon kayo. Sige. Pwesto kayo. I-video ko muna. I-video ko kayo dyan. Makuha ito. May tao kasi. Ayan. Oh, yan. Signature dance na naman. Saan yung signature dance natin? Wow. Nice. So, dito tayo sa circle. Ito yung airport. Zurich. So, punta tayo dito sa loob. The circle. Ito rin pa rin sa airport. Welcome in circle. As in Swiss. Or maybe ito yung background dito. Ganda naman. Ito pa rin chat mo rin. Picture din doon. Ganda pa rin. Dami. Pasyalan. Kunti lang yung mga tao. Pero ganda yung shopping center dito.